Empty nesters, I know just how that feels. I'm Lori with Team Murphy Real Estate, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about how to go about downsizing and getting ready to downsize, getting organized, decluttering. That can be very overwhelming, but with the right mindset, it can also be very liberating and an exciting journey. And I think a good way to start is to get some boxes and label it keep, sell, or trash. That'll help you as you go through and organize your belongings. As you're going through your belongings, prioritize items that are essential or items that bring you joy. So think about each item as you go through it, and if you haven't used it in a long time, or if it's not something that brings you joy, like brings you great memories, then it might be time to let it go. I know, and I feel the same way, letting go of sentimental items can be very overwhelming, but let's talk about some ways that will make it a little easier. Maybe there's something that we haven't really looked at for a long time, but they bring us joy, and it's something sentimental that you don't want to get rid of. It reminds you of a loved one. Then maybe take a picture of it, and that way you can still keep it in your memory, but it's not cluttering up areas, especially if you're thinking about downsizing and you have less room. Another thing you could do is display some of your items that you really cherish. Maybe get some memory boxes or some display case. This way you could enjoy them without creating a lot of clutter. If you have items that are in good condition but they're not useful for you anymore, and you're a person that really doesn't like to just throw things away, which I don't blame you, I'm the same way, then think about donating them or selling them. You could donate them to a local charity, or with social media, there are just so many platforms that you could sell your items and someone else could enjoy them and find some joy out of them the way you did in the beginning, and that would make you feel good that someone is using those items. I know downsizing and thinking of leaving a home where you made so many memories can be a little bit overwhelming, but embrace it as a new adventure. And if you've already downsized, share your tips or experiences in the comments below.